Vocational School Number 2 Bukit Tinggi. Individual in community can play a role in implementing this strategy, one of which is by applying the correct ethic. When caught and reading, look at the habit of some people when interested in the public place where crowd. It turned out that not many people are literate about the procedure for students and sneezing, so they don't transmit the disease to others. Summarized from the office website of the Mystery of Healthy, the following is what can be ordered. Ethic of counting, where a zinc probably covered the nose and mouth when coughing and sneezing with a tissue or sleeve. This is so the virus does not spread into the air and spread to the other people. Immediately take away the use of tissue in the trash. Wash your hand using clean waters and soap or an alcohol-based hand wash. Use a mask. Bad habit of coughing or sneezing, not covering mouth when coughing or sneezing in the public place, not washing hand after use to cover mouth or nose when coughing and sneezing. Throw away or putting use a tissue in the place carelessly. Focus the handling COVID-19 is not only curing patients who are pretty infected, but also preventing healthy people from becoming infected. This is said to be the key in the break the chain of the transmission, because the virus must have originated from other patients who was previously infected. Increasing adherence and maintaining the cleanliness of a healthy life is everyday life. Correct how equated and diligently washing our hand with soap for 20 seconds are the main fans that can fortify ourselves from transmission of the virus. The said simple clothes the press releases.